I'm recording again. Hello guys, welcome to another video with Bashai. We're playing some Teardown.
Wait, hold on. Bro, this is my favourite side mission. It's called the speed deal, I swear to God, Night Terror. You'll see why it's my favourite mission in a minute.
Let me toss some bombs.
Night Terror, I forgot to make it private. Hold on.
Nuke them, nuke them.
I kicked him.
Oh, okay. Done. What are we doing anyway? Primary time.
No offense.
Finish lap in 30 seconds.
Yep, follow me. There's a racetrack in his backyard.
Is it just
Now you know why it's my favourite mission.
Is there only
There's a
one car?
racetrack. There should be two, hopefully.
Aw.
Look, the pea brush.
You mean this is just a race? Break the leash, break the leash, break the money, break. It seems like it's one vehicle only.
Hold on, wait. Look, there's fast vehicles over there.
Yeah, you're. I hop in with you. We both do it. Watch out, it's gonna open automatically.
There's two. There's two.
Yeah, but I'm gonna hop in with you. You're driving.
No, look, there's two. Do your own map. It's fine. There's two.
But you want to tell only if
I think so, but it's fine. It's better than doing one of those stupid car missions. Right, line up. Oh no, wait, we're going the wrong way, I think. I mean, there should be like a timer.
Yeah, we're going on.
I'm wrecking these cars.
Look, we have to be the same. Wait a minute, what if it's that muscle car that we have to do? Or is it the Jeep? It's the Jeep. The one that I use. Wait a minute. Look at the map real quick.
Let's get ready. 2. Man, you're lucky. You got a fast car. Yeah, no, I'm good. I don't know what I was generally supposed to do here.
29! 30! No! Yes! Watch my primary target's done! Look! Look, tab! It's done! I did it!
No, it isn't.
Look, it's filled in. Oh. Okay, let's get the
Oh.
fast cars. Which one's yours? That was mine.
I think only one person has to do it.
Yeah, but 2 is better, right?
True. Well, not really, actually.
Watch out, one gets stuck.
Yeah, except there's 2 people. And he just pit stopped me. See? And I'm stuck. I don't know how this doesn't move. This is... Right, let me restart.
How about this? I'll let you get ahead of me.
Well, no, because if you get ahead of me, then you're just gonna pit stop me again.
Okay, now I'll just be in the car with you.
Well, yeah, but then what's the fun in that for you?